Now let's look at the email body. This is where you are writing your email. So you need to remember a couple of things. Remember to keep it to the point. Also, don't use texting abbreviations like BTW, which stands for by the way. Don't use emojis. Don't use lots of punctuation marks. For example, help with lots of exclamation marks. And don't use all caps. This makes it look like someone is shouting at you. So let's look at some examples. So example number 1. Dear Mr. Jones, OMG, I need help now. Can you help me? With a big giant smiley face. So what's wrong with this? Well, it has all caps in it. It has lots of exclamation points. And it has an emoji. Let's look at sample number. So how could we fix this? So we've got, Dear Mr. Jones, OMG, I need help now. Can you help me? With a big smiley face. We would write, Dear Mr. Jones, could you please help me with my problem? Thank you. That would be a good fix for this. Let's look at a different one. What's wrong with this email? Dear Mr. Jones, my grandma, who you met at parent-teacher conference, is taking me on vacation to Florida. Have you ever been to Florida? I like it because it's warm all the time. I'm going to be gone a week, which I know is a long time. Can I have the assignment for that week? So what's wrong with this? Well, it's too long and it has information that the teacher doesn't need. So how can we fix this email? We could write, Dear Mr. Jones, I will be gone for vacation next week. Could I please have the assignments before I go? Now you're going to try and figure out what is wrong with some emails, and then later you're going to fix them.